Remember that scientist that said he would try 999 times? I think it's 999 times. Just he tried a lot of times. That guy, that's who I am. Yeah. You know, in my previous video, I said and I saw the job they posted, and I was like, okay, this job is dope. I went to apply for the job. Then I messaged the CEO, messaged the hiring director, messaged the recruiter, messaged the senior recruiter, messaged the junior recruiter, messaged the intern, messaged the lead designer, messaged the junior, messaged everybody in that company, as much people as you can, and watch and see what happens. So far, so not good. That thing is not, strategy is not working out for me. Yeah. So I'm trying another strategy because I read a book by Nikitiza. Yeah, I hope I pronounced the name well. She's also a YouTuber, a UX YouTuber, and 10 years experience, you know, blah blah blah. You understand? So she said in her book that give me a second, I'm trying to remember. She said that most UX designers, most UX design experts, they say, yo, everybody, tailor your portfolio for every job you do. First time I heard that, I was like, what? Is that how hard applying for job is? Because I didn't, but I just ignored that saying. I just went on applying for jobs that I felt fit my criteria. So in the book, she said that that's not possible. That which kind of stress is that? If you apply for over 200 jobs, you should tailor your portfolio for every. So she had 200 different portfolios or what? I don't understand. Maybe it's just a lot complex that is not needed. I don't need to complicate the field for myself again. It's already complicated. This is UX, user experience designing. It's already complicated. Leave it like that, please. No more. Okay, so in the book she said many UX design experts say tailor your portfolio to every job you're applying for, but wrong. That's not what you're supposed to say. Tailor your resume for every job you apply for. Like I did it earlier today when I was applying for jobs. I applied for just 10 jobs, just 10. Then in the requirements, I just literally copied the requirements, then pasted it in the summary. Like the summary layout was, my name is Ezekiel, and I am. Then copied everything she said, everything the job says rather. Then paste it in my resume. So normally a bot will firstly check all the resumes to find the one that reaches these criteria. Then it will shortlist some. So now it's inevitable I will be shortlisted because everything that is stated in the responsibilities and requirements are in my resume. Literally, I copied them, then pasted them. It's crazy, but that's what Nikitiza said, and I know it's going to work because common sense. That's crazy. I don't know why I didn't think of that earlier. Maybe because I thought it was stressful. So now, I'm just going to be, like I say in my videos, every time, I'm going to be keeping you updated on what's going on. I'm going to blow your mind very soon. I think I'll cut that part out. That's not for now. Okay, so, you know me, I don't like cutting parts out. I like keeping it real, keeping it clean, keeping it slick. So that's what's going on now. I'm still applying for jobs, working on myself, and reading a lot of books. A lot. So I finished reading Nikitiza. I'm reading Don Norman. I'm reading other books, a lot of other books. So I'm just filling my head currently now because taking the time to learn is also part of the learning process. Resting and not designing is also part of the learning process because I cannot imbibe myself in Figma because I know I'm an expert in Figma already. I've done crazy interactions in Figma using Smart Animate. I even moved to Protopie, tried it, did crazy interaction. By the way, Protopie is mad. The interactivity is mad. The high fidelity prototype is mad. Try it. You guys have to try it. It's not that I'm promoting Protopie, but I didn't expect it to be that complex and simple at the same time. Wow. Anyhow, back to the video. I tried XD. It was awesome. I'm done with that. I tried a lot of other Zeppelin, all those tools. I know those tools well. Then I said, okay, let me back up for some moment. Let me shift back from UI designing, then move to UX. And I'm thinking about going into a course of psychology to help me understand the behavioral patterns of humans more, so I can design better for them. Yeah. So I think that's all. I'm learning. I'm just just know that resting is also part of learning, because if you don't rest, there's no how you can how do I put it now? If you don't rest, there's no how you can grow. Yeah, you can't just be moving with full speed. You have to take a break for a second and look at the things you've achieved, the things you were supposed to achieve, and you get what I'm trying to say. So that's the end of this video. If you guys have any experience you want to share with me or any questions you want to ask me, leave in the comment section below and I'll definitely reply. Definitely. Trust me. That's all.